We are opening a artificial milk center
For bike.
for bike. And
Bike
Mr.
what?
Mr.
Good milk.
Movin are making
Now,
the artificial milk for bike and washing. It's so nice, look like a milk. It's so beautiful, white and full of bucket. And after then, we will wash by this bike, by that milk. What happened now? It's so speedy and cleaning by the whole parts of bike. We're so happy about it. Doesn't matter. We'll start again. Some problem in our machine.
No problem.
It's just loading water, and water supply is just making problem. Nice and starting, so good. Washing our CVZ by the artificial milk. It's international. I really advise thinking about that. It's so bruly. It's so speedy, so they're clean by everything, every dust, sand, mud, all kind of things are washing by that milk. It's so nice. And at last, I'm the falling problem.